What's the meaning of calcification? Calcification. Calcification.
Calcification. Calcification. Calcification refers to the accumulation of calcium salts in tissues where they do not normally exist. The process involves the gradual deposit of calcium phosphate or calcium carbonate crystals in tissues, leading to hardening and loss of function. Calcification can occur in various parts of the body, such as the heart valves, blood vessels, bones, and kidneys. The end result of calcification is the formation of calcified tissues or structures that are less flexible, weaker, and often dysfunctional. In some cases, calcification can be a precursor to more serious conditions, such as cardiovascular disease, osteoporosis, and kidney failure.